ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kementeri Kekaya Jangka Sorkar Jela ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo krai thu baga sorkar kan sedang men Treikam no ya ke Shillong Medical College lakum no shwajung benai Nailur arajar pusan bade ke Tura Medical College host nem arajar pun riun arajar punyo. Kementeri Kepentip ya kini hak kanyu tri ujumang arajar pusau hadi maglasyong ya ke jingalang perkhatkam bala peniat do menteri rang ba ke jelau konrak kongkol sangma hak bede ba ke jing Treikam no ik Medical College hak ni ke jela Meghalaya. Kementeri Kanselit Jurip Shah ke Jela Uttar Pradesh ban bishare ka model kebaga Sarkar India kal ajung kerja ni ke Sarkar Uttar Pradesh ban chna igin rutli medical colleges.
We have taken a review of the Tura Medical College. We have a certain proposal at hand. We are of course going ahead with the constructions. Some of the infrastructure are at very good progress. And recently there were certain hurdles with regards to the fast tracking of the infrastructure building. Those have also been sorted out. Honorable Chief Minister at his level took a meeting with line departments like the PHE, the Power Department and the PWD. So all of those difficulties have also been attended to. Now I will be taking a trip to Uttar Pradesh, where there has been a model of the government of India where they have assisted the state of Uttar Pradesh in the institutioning of medical colleges. So I will first go, then I will come back and I will share my experiences once I've seen the models where Government of India has actually initiated the building of 6 medical colleges around Uttar Pradesh. So let me go there, let me see what that model is all about. Then as far as the Shillong Medical College, we are ahead and progressing rapidly. Tura Medical College, we expect it to be likely operational sometime 26-27. Not able to really give a definitive time frame because it is going to be difficult. We are still working on a lot of the infrastructure institutioning because it is very necessary. Then the Shillong Medical College should be, if everything goes well, so many technicalities have to still be fast-tracked. We have to look at the building of our own faculty. We have to look at important issues such as the service rules, the amendment of service rules of doctors, so that we ensure that eligible doctors are on board and service rules permit us to allow doctors to function as teaching doctors. So Government of India has a model for the teaching and the non-teaching doctors. There is a model for retirement, a model for everything. So we are now going to be looking at this detail as well. If everything goes right, Shillong Medical College should be functional by September of 2026. And now the NMC still has to come. We are still preparing for the inspections that the NMC will be, will be willing to come and conduct the details of the proposed medical college in Shillong. Affiliation issues are now also likely to be handled because we have the Williamson Sangma University of the state now. We have actually engaged with the NEHU, but it's taking a very long time. So we are going to look at an option of affiliation with the state-owned university. So all of that is well on plan. We are on road. Looks like we may be able to do it. In fact, we've had several consultations with doctors already in the system, and we will have to also open out expression of interest to doctors, especially we are told from the military background, because there are enough such doctors who have just recently retired who are eligible for teaching. So this is something that is looking positive, and we hope that without talking too much, we act more. And the Honorable Chief Minister is going to be discussing all these matters with the Government of India. We will await for the new government formation, and as soon as that stabilizes, then we should be able to give you better information. But just to keep you abreast at our progress on our plans for our own medical colleges, we want to assure the state of Meghalaya that we are sincerely on the job, and looks like we may be able to get a medical college if everything goes as planned by next year, 2025 session. Structure in Shillong Medical College, we refer to this as a Brownfield project, where you're already utilizing facilities available in the area of the proposed Shillong Medical College. So you have the Ganesh Das Hospital, you have the labs, the pasture labs. So you also have a hospital not far away, which is the civil hospital. There are big plans for the expansion of the civil hospital Shillong as well. The other day I went to visit civil hospital on receipt of information that the dialysis machines were not functional, and we realized that there is critical paucity of space. We do not have enough space. So we're happy to know, hopefully we will be able to expand all of these infrastructures, and we are looking at the possibility of improving facilities around. We're waiting. We've kept proposals before the Honorable Chief Minister to lend us more space. We hope that this will be something that can be done, and by the looks of it, we will not have a problem with infrastructure building here. It's not about a payment, so to say, but it is an MOU signing. You need to sign. We will handhold the project for a specific number of years. That model is yet to be fully developed, and MOUs still need to be signed. So right now we are presuming things. Let the officials actually get a clear picture, and once that picture is clear, then we will be able to share this information with you, so that there is no shoddy information being given to the public. But dialogue is on, determination is there, possibility is very real. So we're looking at all of this and seat sharing for the students of our own state. That's where we benefit the most. So all of that can only be made public once the MOUs are signed in black and white. Right now, these are all areas of discussion. A discussion is on. USTM. There as well, there is quick progress of the PA Sangma International Hospital. That is a model of a PPP. There is some possibility that that also will become operational very soon. But the technical signings of MOUs and other, other arrangements are now being made, and we will keep you abreast once we have a specific information to share with the public. But there also, we have a high probability of having a medical college as close as Khanapara. Tura Medical College, because it's a greenfield project, will take a little bit more time because of the infrastructure building. We will be challenged mostly in the Tura Medical College with concerns of operationalization of the medical college, because it is a little distant. It is difficult to reach. We still have some obstacles with as far as connectivity and other things. Government of Meghalaya is on the job. We're trying to sort out and make sure that accessibility to Tura will be better in the years to come. But as of now, we are looking at a model of working with Nailur CMC. Let us see how it goes. So there are these different models. But as far as infrastructure achievement, we have good physical progress of all buildings as per the investments made in the project since the previous years.